Alright, I'm in at Five Below. Look right here. So these buckets right here, the plain basic ones, they're only $2. You don't have to worry. This Easter crochet basket will be $6. And they have a little new bug dig. Looks like a butterfly. Ladybug. Oh my gosh. Ladybug. You never know what you're gonna get. Maybe a baby ladybug. These are dough kits. You come in a bunny form, a chick form. I'm not too sure if they're like the hard where it will harden for you. Are these slime? These are always fun too. You could put in the Easter basket, and they're only 3. A strawberry cow, mix and squish, a dragon fruit scented, and the bee will be honey scented, which is kind of funny. And of course, all this painting stuff, crochet, springtime. Oh, these are deviled eggs. They have little eggs in here to make them, and mustard mayo yolk. Oh, that's funny. What is this one? Carrot cake. Oh no, I don't like carrot cake. But look, you get the vanilla one. That's really fun. That's a fun one. They're $6 though. Five Below went like the Dollar Tree. They raised their prices. They did. You got the s'more chalk. These are only $1. Well, these are $1. One. Spray paint. Oh my gosh. Paw Patrol chalk. Okay. That's kind of cute. I never seen the Paw Patrol one. Egg. What is this Crayola down here? A little activity. Oh, that's interesting. Bluey and Hot Wheels, binoculars, and more bubbles. They even have the Transformer sword. Now down here, this is 15. Inflatable, maybe outdoor playing if you have like a water slide and everything. And a bathtub. Has fruit. Oh, grocery basket. Okay. This one's a bath one. Ducks. They're $5. They're the same price as the ones in Walmart, but you get larger ducks. Then Pokemon, Minecraft, everything. Some of these Lego sets are 15 here. These are 5. Those are kind of cute. And they have the blind bag. A little Nemo in here. Peeps. Oh, this is the mini Peeps squishy. I did buy this last year. Fugglers hangers. Okay. Oh, you never know. You don't know what you're going to get. Here's what they look like. Oh, they have backpacks? What? These are Fuggler backpacks you can put on your purse. I didn't know. A little coin pouch or for your AirPod. The green one's kind of funny. Haha, he's cute. Donkey Kong. Oh my gosh, look at all this one. Sonic. Flower. Here's one. These are $5.55. This is Yoshi. The thing is about these t-shirts, can we open that? On the Galaxy one, the print feels like
a big sticker,
and I feel like this one might wash off, and crack. That's kind of a different quality. Five Below's doing their shirts a little different. But we got the monkey glow-in-the-dark stretchy one. Oh, here's the marble NeeDoh. Okay, the marble one. You got a little s'more, little squishy one.
Can't even see this.
You have the stress one. Mystery squishy critter. You don't know what you're gonna get. You could get a shark. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, the alligator looks kind of cool. The banana, the cheese, and the birthday cake. My daughter used to collect all these foam ones. You guys remember the foam, slow rising foam ones? They used to be like huge back in YouTube days. This is kind of cool too. It looks like a little Nemo, little reef. You squeeze them. I think this one's a dolphin. Or sharks? This is sharks. Trying to get it going. Oh. This is a shark one. But there is a dolphin one in here. I think this one might be the dolphin. If I could pull it out. The dolphin. Tons of squishmallows in here. The skies everywhere. A few pajamas. Again, top and bottom. They're after me Lucky Charms. Who needs luck with all the charm? Paul Frank. And these are cute pajama bottoms. They have cute little bears in here. And there's a strawberry one too. This is really cute. Hey, look at this. I don't know if it's pajama or what. They have it in red. And these pants. Plenty of beauty care in here. Golden berry. It's like a toner, a glow. These are little dewdrops right here. Some stores have testers, but there's so many options down here. These are $5. Oh, looks like under your eye. That wasn't on there correctly. Packaging looks like Amica, right? Leave-in hair conditioner, heat protectant. Let's see, One More Day dry shampoo, the powder form. Luminous shimmer. These are all little shimmers, okay. Prime lock. Pore. Blackhead treatment. Back knee. It says back knee on it. Haven't seen anything too new in makeup though, but I mean their lip liners are only $3, so you can't go wrong with getting a lip liner, a lip gloss. Shea Butter Balm. Those are only $3. Look at Butters. Burb. Cows.
Oh, was this when he went to Hawaii?
I never seen a Butters one though.
He took out that ship with a golf ball.
Boo. Beetlejuice. Kyle's in there. And a few strawberry shortcake. But again, Five Below, I mean, filling up an Easter basket should not be a problem here. They do have like all these blind bags and everything in the Walmart, but you are going to pay a little more. Look at the mummy. They got the little mummy in there. M&Ms. I know a lot of people love to collect the M&Ms. I mean, yeah, this is the Easter basket. Look at these Care Bears on the character keychain. Powerpuff Girls, Tokidoki. My daughter used to collect these. Invader Zim. Look at Pig. I love Invader Zim. Let's see, we have Care Bears, Blacklight. I didn't even know Pet Shop, Little Pet Shop was still huge. They used to be huge back in the day on YouTube too. I'm so glad my daughter didn't collect those, but her friends did, and they would always come with cases of them. I'm like, oh gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. They have a Highland and Cow one. That is so funny.
I found the pig.
Oh, you found the pig? Look at, they have a Highland Cow.
Oh, that's funny. They just have weird stuff like, I don't
Bob's
know.
Burger.
A lot of this is really fun and neat to collect and stuff, but like 3 months from now, are they going to be like, oh, this is still cool, or is it just going to collect space?
Well, I mean,
Like, I could see collecting like the Littlest Pet Shop like with friends, because they played with us forever.
but they were little.
But, or like those Powerpuff Girls.
What is that? What is?
Well, like Squishies and stuff are funny because they just tear.
You just
and
squish them?
fade.
And they have cars like taco truck, a hamburger car, a few Monster Jam Hot Wheels. There's more little pet shop stuff. Those are $5. They could put a little pony in there. Yo Gabba Gabba if they like Yo Gabba Gabba. They have crybabies, fairies, little mini Monster High to take you back. Make your own smush. Put the gel in. Shape it. Okay. This is more sand art on top. Oh, that's kind of cool. They have a popsicle one. Oh my gosh, Good Humor. The orange sickle, which is like my favorite. Bomb Pop. Oh my gosh, I remember that from the ice cream truck. They have a shoe one too. And look at the animal one. Let me bring it down. A husky. Oh my gosh, cool. That's cute. And there's a cat. Those are new. Fast food one. They always have like cool block sets, right? A bento one. The Hot Wheels too. The shoe. They have the duck build set. Oh my gosh, Dash Duck. Those are funny. And all, of course, you know, all your little mini ducks. And, you know, plenty of slime to choose from. Don't forget, in Target dollar spot, you guys, they have like Care Bear ones and like Hello Kitty. So, just giving you an option. Neon Butter. Neon Glow. What is this one? Luck Charms. It has like confetti in there. Crunchies. Interesting. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Five Below location. Nothing new on Easter. Everything right now will be the same, but you know what? Again, good options for your basket. The crunchy one. They have Play-Doh sand. Oh, that's kind of cool. They come in a little case. Okay, that's really neat. Hello Kitty in here. Strawberry Dream, Swedish candy. Again, some of this stuff is not good, I'm gonna be honest. I wonder why that has condensation on the inside. It's like the sugar is melting. Interesting. The Eggsters, oh my gosh, these are $4. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.